What if your AI agent could upload, update, and manage your YouTube videos just by asking? Let's see it in action. Here we ask SureThing to show how our YouTube channel has been performing. The AI agent instantly pulls up your channel stats, subscribers, views, and video count all in one message. Over in YouTube Studio, you can see the channel is brand new, 0 videos yet. Back in SureThing, we attach a video file and tell the agent, upload this to YouTube with a title and description. That's it. One message and the AI handles everything. Title, description, privacy settings, category. Your video is now live on YouTube. Switching to YouTube Studio, you can see the video has appeared, processing the upload in real time. But we're not done. Let's ask the agent to update the video title. Just type what you want changed. And right in YouTube Studio, the title updates instantly. Full YouTube management through a simple chat. Upload, update, and monitor, all from one place. Try it yourself at SureThing.io.